and it's time to see if it'll start.
And before we start repairing this thing, we obviously want to know whether it starts or not, because if it doesn't start, we know that we need to take the engine out and work out what the problem is, because we look through the cylinders are good, spark plugs look good. The only reason why it wouldn't start is if the bottom end's gone. Well, it would start, it just sound a bit rattly. And under here, actually here was the dipstick, wasn't it? And, oh, there's a little bit, but here's minimum, up here, and we're down here. So maybe, I know you're supposed to check these when they're warm, so for safety, put some oil in.
Now we do run the risk of overfilling the oil here, but I'm only going to put in a little bit, just for peace of mind when we start it. So in goes a drop of Valvoline.
We don't want to be building an engine. Ready?
And it's time to see if it'll start.
Oh! Get in there! Told you, didn't I? One more time!
The engine was running, but something sounded a little weird.
Whoa, whoa, whoa! What was that?
Oh, it's just diarrhea everywhere.
What is going on there?
It's got water in the engine, isn't it? In the oil.
Why is it diarrheaing out of that? So it's got a bit of water in the oil.
Well, the good news is that the engine runs and turns over. The bad news, it looks like milky oil is coming out what I think is the PCV valve. And what that does is recirculate gas coming out the crankcase. When an explosion happens in the combustion chamber, sometimes you get a bit of gases blow past the piston rings and into the crankcase. And you then have this PCV system which takes the gases out of the crankcase and sort of recirculates them back into the intake. Now the only reason oil will be getting in here is if one, the engine was sort of tipped upside down, or the oil was overfilled. Both of which are possible. The only way to try and prove this theory right is just to drain all of the oil out and refill the correct amount and run the car until all of the breather lines for the PCV are nice and clear again. So that's what we're doing now.